Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to simply click on my TikTok app right here. After you open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. It's going to take you right here. Click on this three slider from the top. So click on this three slider. Then click on settings and privacy. Then go to security and permissions. Click on two-step verification. Authenticator. Remove Authenticator app. You will no longer have this as a two-step verification method. Click on confirm. It's that simple. For more tutorial about TikTok security like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.